wabarakatuh. First of all, let me thank you all for being here today. So let me introduce myself. My name is Uci Indrina Aulia Sara. So I'm here to present about innovation in civil engineering that am improving sustainability. So let me start by asking you a question. Can you imagine that a road made by waste plastics? How can you make it? How can you make it? And is it possible? The answer is possible and is popularly known as plastic road. So plastic road from waste plastic. India is one of the most polluted cities in the world. So as a response to massive local waste and plastic pollution within their country, India's government began experimenting with plastic roads during the early 2000s, with waste plastic being as a construction materials. An earlier by Indian Central Pollution Control Board discovered that even after 4 years of use, Jammunia Street in Chennai, one of the first plastic roads, had not sustained much damage. The board cited that no fault lines, rotting, rattling, or edge flag were discovered during the evolution. So the next slide is material used for plastic roads. So the first is aggregate, that aggregate for 20 millimeter until 10 millimeter, standards and line as a pillar. And two, it's bitumen. And the third material is waste plastic, of course. Waste plastic in the standard form, but PVC is not used. The next slide is construction of plastic road, how to make it. So step one is plastic waste like bags, cards, bottles made of PE, PP, and PS card into size between 2.36 millimeter and 4.75 millimeter using swirling machines, of course. You can see the picture in here as the swirling machines. So the next slide is step number 2. The aggregate waste is heated to 165 Celsius degree as per the HRS specification and the strength to mix in silver. And amount of the plastic we added is 80% of the bitumen. You can see it's bitumen, it's heated to 165 Celsius degree on that picture. So the next step is similarly to bitumen is to be heated to, but up to maximum of 160 degrees Celsius at RS specification to have a good binding and to prevent weak bonding. And it's monitoring the temperature is very important. So you can see bitumen is to be heated to maximum of 160 degrees Celsius. So the next slide is for step number 4. At the mixing chamber, the swirling plastic waste is to be added, and it gets coated uniformly over the aggregate within 30 to 60 seconds, and giving it an oily look. An oily look, I mean. So you can see it. It's like oily thing. And the next slide is for step number 5. The plastic waste coated aggregate is mixed with the gut bitumen, and the resultant mix is used for road construction. So the rule used is almost 8 ton capacity, maybe more. You can see it in the picture, So the next slide is step for number 6. So the road buying temperature is between 110 degrees Celsius to 120 degrees Celsius, and the rollers are used have a capacity for almost 8 ton generally. And you can see in the picture that the road is being rolled. So I like to sum up my points is creative civil engineer is play significant in ensuring that the science behind using waste plastic for roads is accurate. And I hope in the future the iteration of this concept are carried out with consideration for environmental health and safety. So thank you for you all attention. That's all about my presentation today. I want to say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bisa kali ya?